raining.
Oh my gosh, guys, I am so sorry for the poor quality. You're just gonna have to deal with it, but it gets better.
Oh my. Oh. I don't have my camera with me. That's why I have to film on the phone. But oh, there's a lot of people there. This is a lot of rain, though.
We needed the rain, but we certainly didn't need a downpour just because of flooding.
Yeah, 'cause I said, like, if you can hear me, Lord, if you can hear me, then can you please give us rain? And well, as you can clearly tell, we heard that, and let's just hope it doesn't flood, because we don't need flooding. We don't need that, so yeah. I will continue recording when we get home after we put our groceries away.
Oh my god, it wasn't focusing for some reason. What the hell? Okay, anyway. So it's raining, y'all. So I lost my SD card again. This is the second SD card. Oh, first one was at the camper when I accidentally dropped it through the deck. Now this one is through here. So, oh, my phone's wet. Oh my god. So I'm that SD card is gone, bro. That SD card, it's gone. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go back inside. Because it's getting a little windy. For watching today's video, please like and subscribe. And if you haven't already subscribed, then what the hell are you doing? But thank you. Bye.